By the end of this video, you will know how to log a time entry in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, open the Matters tab. This is where you can access the matters connected to your work and choose the one that should receive the time entry. From the Matters tab, select the specific matter where you want to log time. Make sure you open the correct matter before moving forward, since the time entry will be attached to that file. After the matter opens, look for the Time section within the Matter page. In the Time section, click Add Time. This opens the form where you can enter the details for the new time entry. Take a moment here to enter each field carefully so the record reflects the work accurately. Begin with the Duration field and enter the amount of time you want to log. Then choose the activity category that best matches the work performed. After that, enter the date for when the work took place. In the Description field, add a clear note about the task or service completed. Keep the wording specific enough to identify the work later when reviewing the matter or preparing a bill. Next, check the Firm User field and confirm that the correct user is selected for the entry. Then review the Rate field and enter or confirm the rate that should apply to this time. If the time should not be billed, mark the entry as non-billable. If you want the entry to appear on a bill, select the option to show this entry on the bill. These options should match how you want the time handled in billing and reporting. Once all of the details are filled in, review the information before saving. Confirm the duration, category, date, description, firm user, and rate. Also check any billing-related selections, including whether the entry is marked non-billable or set to appear on the bill. This review helps prevent the need to return later and make corrections to the matter record. When everything looks accurate, click Save Entry. Clio Manage will record the time entry under that matter, and the new record will be stored with the rest of the matter activity. If you need to verify it, you can look back at the Time section in the matter after saving. This process gives you a consistent way to add track time directly to the correct matter while keeping the details organized in one place. It also helps make sure the entry includes the billing information you want before it becomes part of the record.